Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Shein app freeze problem. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. So go to your Play Store or app shown at the bottom, click on the search icon. Over here search for Shein, and towards the right of it, if you see an option for update, make sure to click on update to update it. Now go into your settings and you'll see an option for apps and notifications. Tap on it. Now at the top, click on app info. Once in here, scroll down and find the Shein application and open it up, and then just click on storage and cache. Over here, make sure to click on clear cache and clear storage to make sure that the cache files are cleared. Now see if your Shein application is working. If it still isn't working, then you'll have to reinstall the app. So just long press on your app and then click on uninstall. Now go back to your app store and make sure to download Shein again, and your issue will be fixed. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.